Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you guys how we can decorate those empty corners of our homes. Empty corners tend to stick out and make otherwise beautiful rooms look awkward. In fact, no space is complete until all of its nooks are lovingly decorated. So keep watching friends. I'm going to share with you guys some easy decorating ideas to polish off every inch of your home. So the first way I'm going to share with you guys is how to set up that cozy reading space in some empty corner of your home. For which I have taken these hanging planters which I got from FB Marketplace for 150 rupees each. I have cut the ropes and I have made them stand one upon other. It's quite sturdy. If you want to further secure them, you can add a rope around this corner. You guys won't believe how much you can do with an empty corner in any room. They are really fabulous decorating real estate. So I hope the ideas that I share with you guys will give you an inspiration, and then you guys find a corner at your home and let your imagination soar. To make any corner of your home lovely, you can add in some plants to make the space lively. If you guys want to create a comfortable reading space, then you can add in a single chair like this. On the side, I'm using the stand as the book stand and I'm going to place a plant on the top. If the blank spaces are making you uncomfortable, the good news is that you have got a plenty of options for filling them without cluttering up your home. So simple yet so chic and fun. A corner is a fabulous place to create that cozy reading space. You can even use a swinging chair to create that perfect space for you to enjoy your favorite book along with your coffee. Just a great place to chill, trust me. So in this way, you guys can create that comfortable and cozy reading space for yourself in those empty corners of your homes. So when in doubt, add a plant. Pick a plant for an empty corner and it's a good life motto. Plants are a wonderful way to fill a corner. They bring the brightness of the outdoors in along with a light and airy feel. You can add in a single plant or you can create an indoor garden. In here I am just going to show you guys how we can display plants in a creative yet cost effective way. So my home doesn't get direct sunlight, so that's the reason I have like less maintenance plants, or the ones which require low light, like money plants, easy plants, snake plant. As everything seems to be in white, I'm just adding this artificial green mat that I have over here. So even in this way, you can display your plants in a corner at your home. So, what's better than having a Zen corner at our home? That too, in times like this, we do need some relaxation corner for ourselves. So, I'm just going to create a Zen corner here, for which I am placing this Buddha statue, which I got long back from Snapdeal, and that table is from Urban Ladder. After adding the stand, I felt the stand was quite big, so I just removed it and I have added this metal stand over here and added the Buddha face on it. For me, no space is complete without adding greens. I just love plants. And you can see I have added my DIY Buddha face wall hanging over here, the tutorial to which will be in the description box below. So you can add a wonderful rug and some pillows and whatever your heart desires. During times like this, a special place like this just might save your sanity. Think about creating your own and you will be so happy you did. You can use the corner to display your curios or knickknacks or the collections that you have collected over years, like some brass items, or you can use some antique mirror, or you can use some antique collections that you own along with some plants, and the space would look so lovely as it is looking right now. When in double, corner shelves are a win-win-win. It creates a perfect spot where you can store items, display books, or you can display antiques or vintage collections. Adding a touch of greenery is always a good thing, but just make sure if the corner is a little dark to get plants that like the low light. I hope you guys would have got some ideas or inspiration from this video. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up and also please do share it with your friends and family. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on the ting 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 bell icon so you get notifications of all our future videos. I'll see you all in the next interesting video, friends. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye, friends.